Hello everybody, my name is Stephanie Whipple and today I will be talking about the inflationary gap. Now, John Maynard Keynes was originally credited to have come up with the modern definition of the inflationary gap, which is the inflationary gap measures the difference between the current real GDP and that of an imaginary GDP of an economy operating at full employment. And I say imaginary because that's not really realistic. But the current real GDP must be higher than the potential GDP for the gap to be considered inflationary. That's how you get the inflationary gap. And attached is a example of this. Now, a more realistic example is, let's say a economy is producing 10,000 widgets per week. However, the aggregate weekly demand for widgets is 15,000. This means that there's an inflationary gap of actually 5,000 because it is 15,000 minus 10,000, and so the gap is 5,000. The aggregate demand for those widgets is higher than the full employment real GDP. The inflationary gap represents the point in the business cycle when the economy expands as consumers purchase more goods and services, and as demand increases but production lags, prices rise to restore market equilibrium.